Hello children, welcome you all. Yes, and today we are going to read our next topic, next lesson, which is a beautiful poem based upon your spirit, your determination, your boldness, and that is The Victor Sports. Okay, the theme is sports and the poem's name is Victor, the Victor. Okay, so the objectives of this poem, okay, that we will discuss later. Here you can see on the screen lesson number 3, The Victor, which is a beautiful poem and it is composed by C.W. Longenecker. Okay. Let's see in the next slide what's there for you. Okay, so here we can see the objectives of this poem. In this chapter, we will read a motivating poem on developing the right attitude towards resolving problems. Learn about the use of repetition in poetry. Do an activity on sports and nutrition. Okay, children. So, let's talk about the first objective of this poem. This is the motivating poem, as they said. What to motivate, why to motivate? To develop the right attitude towards resolving problems. Children, see, problems are everywhere, but you will have to focus on the solutions, because every problem has a solution to it. Yes, solutions are lying in the problems. Problems never come alone. So, we will have to try to search and to see the other side of the problem, wherein we can find the solutions. Yeah. And some of the figure of speech in the poetry, and again activity on sports and nutrition. So, warm up section, who is your favorite sports person? Yeah, write some words related to that sports person in the word web. So, word web is there, you can see the clouds. Yeah, so you will have to go for the favorite sportsman and some related words. Okay, that's very easy and interesting. I think that you all can do it on your own. Let's see the next part. Yeah, here comes the beautiful poem for you all. Yes, first of all, we would focus on the picture given here. What does the picture show to us? See, the person is jumping from one side to another side. Yeah, there are mountains. Yeah, one to another, and see, if he falls, so what can happen? He can lose his life as well, but he is very much determined. It shows that how long jump that person has decided, because it is in his mind that I would have to go from this way to that, and I can. When you feel I can, you can really do that thing. If you believe, you can. Yes. So, it is said that you can win only if you are bold and determined to win. Read this motivating poem by C.W. Longenecker about why believing in yourself is important. See, children, many a times if you feel to do something, so some people, where you go with your proposal or with your what you want to do, so many a times you get the refusals or you get some negative remarks, negative comments, and what some people do, they immediately give up. Okay, instead of going further and take the criticism as a challenge. Okay, so we should never fall into criticize or stay be negative if somebody refuses something or somebody criticizes us. Yes, so we should always keep on moving. move ahead, have a positive attitude. Yes. So, I think my children are waiting for the teacher to sing this poem. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a chance you want. If you think you'll lose, you are lost. For out in the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of the mind. If you are outclassed, you are. If you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but sooner or later the man who wins, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can, is the man who thinks he can. Okay, children? So, here is a beautiful poem and along with the beautiful rhythm, because my children wanted it. Yes. So, let us discuss stanzas. Yes. If you think you are beaten, you are. Children, once if you think that you are beaten or you are back, that you can't, so definitely you are beaten and you can't, because you are developing that thought in your mind, and everything starts from your thoughts. Yes. So, that is why we always say, like, keep your thoughts fresh, keep your thoughts positive. If you think you are dare not, you don't. If you think that you are unable to do something, then definitely you won't be able. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think in your mind, yes, I want to win, I want to win. But if another side you are saying, oh I can't, these are the challenges, I can't go for these challenges, I can't overcome these challenges, then you are next to giving up. Yes, and cinch means sure to happen. You decide to win, but again thought processes that you can't win, so definitely that is sure to happen. Second stanza, if you think you lose, you are lost. If you think that you have lost something, then definitely you lose it. Yes, that you don't have power to stand up again, rise again, and do the things. Sometimes what happens, some people, if they reach at some level, yes, almost about to finish, but at that level if something happens wrong with them, so they don't dare to go back and start from the beginning. So, what should be done? Okay, one positive mind, positive person, what does he do? He goes back again and starts. Okay. For out in the world we find success begins with the fellow's will. Everywhere in the world, if we find successful people, if you want to get success, then it begins with the fellow's will. Fellows means person's determination. If person is strong enough to think, yes, he can, yes, sure, he can. Will means desire, strong desire, burning desire. Yes, we can, we can, we can. What? Good things. Yes. It's all the state of the mind. So, state of the mind means everything is your thought process. Yes, which are. If you are outclassed, you are. Children, the meanings are given here only. So, outclassed means if you are outclassed by someone, they are a lot better than you are at a particular activity. Suppose you people are sitting for a competitive exams and somebody got better results, better than you, and definitely that person has outclassed you. It means that person is better than you in that particular activity. If you think that somebody is going to win, somebody is better than me, then definitely that person is. But if you think that I am the best, I deserve the best, then you are the best. Nobody can outclass you. Okay? You have got to think high to rise. You have got to think high to rise. Now your thoughts are free. Yes. So, do not limit your thoughts, just have positive, motivated, everything should be happening in a positive way. And you can think high and you can rise high. Yeah, you have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win the prize. So, the prizes or the success come to those who think that they are the winners, or they want the success and they are doing something to get the success. Be sure of yourself. Make your thoughts your friends, control your thoughts. Yes, and you are the masters of your own destiny. Yes, children. Last stanza, life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man. Children, here battle means war, yudh. Okay. So, life is compared indirectly with the battle. Yeah. So, here this is figure of speech that we will discuss later. So, life's battle, it means life is compared with battle, and it never goes to always those who are stronger or faster. Yes, if we see there are challenges, there are problems, and we are only fighting with the problems, we are only getting the challenges to get our goal. So, it is not so. Challenges come to those who really try, who really are walking on that road to success. Getting? So, these challenges or battles or life, we can say it does not go to the stronger or the faster person, but sooner or later the man who wins, but it goes to them, or the person who wins is the man who thinks he can. Are you getting, children? So, who is walking faster? Walking faster means doing something faster, or you can say, or stronger. Yeah, these success is not going to them only, not going to those, but success goes to those people who think that we can, we win. We can win. Yes, in their minds, this is fixed. Yes, if they start something with good heart and positive thinking, they can definitely reach to their destination, they can end it up. Yes, so never give up, children, never give up, keep on finding the solutions. Yes. So, let us talk about some literary device which is given on the right side, children. The phrase if you think is repeated to emphasize the point that we get what we believe. This is called repetition. If you think, this is poetry device. Poetry device means poets are using such devices to decorate the poem or to make it more attractive or to make it understand to the readers. Okay children. So, one of the figure of speech, you can say repetition. Figure of speech means some parts are used to decorate the poetry, some devices, those are called figure of speech. Okay. So, repetition means something is repeated to make it more effective, that is repetition. And second is, this is a metaphor. Life has been compared to a battle because there are problems to be faced in life as well as in battles. As there are problems in the battles, there are challenges. So, the same is in life as well. Yes. So, life is compared with battle indirectly. See, when we compare something directly in the poem with the words like, so, as, that is simile. But here you can find these words are not given like, so, as, yes, between life and battle. So, what should we think? This is implied or indirect comparison. Life is compared with battle. So, this is metaphor, indirect comparison. Dare means to have courage to take a risk. Cinch means informal or sure to happen. A fellow's will means a person's determination. Outclassed means if you are outclassed by someone, they are a lot better you are at than you are at a particular activity. So, children, hope that you have understood the poem properly, and definitely this will be this should be written in your notebook along with the learning in the rhythm. Yes. Let us proceed to the next part. Okay. Just a minute, children. Here you can see the same picture in an elaborated way. Yes. See the gap between two edges. Yeah. Where was he standing and where to go? But once he thought of jumping from this to that, he didn't care of his life. Yeah, he dared to, strong enough, his thinking is strong. Yeah, when your thoughts are strong, your physical strength doesn't matter. Yeah, courage is doing what you are afraid to do. There can be no courage unless you are scared. So, courage is doing what you are afraid to do. Afraid to do means simply not the, we are not talking about going against your parents and all. No, not at all bad things like getting good marks in your exams. Yes, or helping your parents. Yeah, if your parents are telling you to do some particular tasks and you say no, I don't know how to do. But you should not say how to do it, I can't do it. No, you can tell your parents, please tell me, please guide me once, I will be doing it independently. Yeah, there can be no courage unless you are scared. When you are scared of doing something, then you cannot be courageous. So, what should be missing? There should not be fear, there should be complete faith, there should be complete belief. Yes, then only the courageous person you can be. Let us see in the next part. Okay, let us talk about the comprehension part, children. Mark the sentences as true T or false F. Here I have already done it. We lose when we think we will never win. True. Success comes to those who do not take risks. False. Success comes to those who are ready to take risks, who are ready to leave their comfort zone. Yes, if you today you are getting everything at home, yeah, and you people might be thinking, okay, life is too good sitting at home and getting everything available, yes, and no need to do anything, but your parents are working hard for you guys, and you should definitely repay it. Yes, so your values, your sanskar, your etiquettes, everything is counted here. Second one is false. Winning depends on the person's state of mind. This is true. Yes. Life's battles are always won by strong or fast people? No, that is false. In order to rise high in life, we must set high goals? True. Because you can think anything. Anything means imagination. What you visualize, you can definitely get it. B. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. When do we win? When we feel we can win, when we feel we can't win, when we wait for someone to help us. Yes, first one is the correct option. Children, I have ticked the correct options. You can go for it. When we feel we can win, then only we win. B. What does the word cinch refer to? Something that is sure to happen. Second, life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man. What has life been compared to? Life been compared to a battle. Battle means yudh, ladai. Yes. Who wins in life? The strongest person, the fastest person, the person who believes he can win. Yes, third option is the correct option. Absolutely correct. Okay, see, which literary device has been used in the phrase life's battles? Personification, metaphor, simile. Children, personification means when something is compared, some non-living things are compared with the non-living things are given the properties of person or human beings. That is personification. That is also figure of speech. Simile, I have already said, as, so, like, when the comparison is with these three words, any of these three words. And metaphor means when the comparison doesn't have any of these words, and then life is compared with battle, and that is metaphor. Okay, that is poetry, poetic device which poets are using. Okay, so life skills and values, one of my favorite part of this book, and which is given after every lesson. Yes. So, this is all about self confidence. Your self confidence should be high, not too high. Too high means not overconfidence and not lack of confidence. It should be like you should be humble enough. Yes, I can. Yes, speak to yourselves. Yes, in the morning when you wake up, so speak to yourself, I am the best, I deserve the best. Yes, I am the best, I deserve the best, and I am very confident person. I have confidence to do the right things. Yes. What is your life battle at this stage of life? How do you plan to win it? Oh my God, life's battle, that how you people are studying, sitting at home, yes, facing so many challenges. Sometimes, I get the some queries from the children that, madam, please send me the video, I couldn't see, I couldn't watch. So that is the real, battlefield in which we are. Yes. So, how do you plan to win it? What are the challenges you people have been facing during this time, and how are you planning yourselves to overcome. Okay, you can write it or you can speak it and send me the recorded videos. I would definitely appreciate it. We often lose confidence in ourselves after experiencing a failure. How do you think one can get confidence back? See, if somebody fails, in doing something once or twice, and some people at once only they give up, yeah, and some people keep on experiencing once, twice, thrice, and afterwards they say, okay, fine, I can't do it, I am giving up. But this is not the way. The right person or the winner is the one who keeps on trying after failures and failures. Definitely success will come and touch their feet. Okay. So these things you can do at your own. How do you think one can get confidence back? One can get confidence back, by doing that thing once again, and by having a self talk. Yeah, that's the best idea. Keep practicing, children. Never think of the results. Keep practicing, keep doing the things. Never give up. Keep trying. Try for one more time, try for one more time. Say like this. So definitely one day you will be the winner, and definitely the confidence will be more. Okay, let's move towards the next one. So that is vocabulary. Repetition. Repetition is a literary device commonly used in both poetry and prose. Prose means the lessons and poetry means poems. It refers to a word, phrase or sentence being repeated many times to emphasize a point. Yes, if the poet or the author wants to point out something or wants to say something, so sometimes the repetition of phrases, words are made. Yes, literature is rich in repetition, and so is music. So it creates the music also. If something is being repeated, some of the words or phrases are repeated. This technique has been used in this poem to great effect. Okay, children. So to make it more effective, the poet has repeated such words. If you think, if you think, if you think. Yes. Even while reciting also we feel pleasure. Identify the repetition in the following lines. Work with a smile, work with pleasure, enjoy your work as you would a sweet dream. Work hard, work with a purpose, work and you will achieve your dreams. Twinkling, shiny, playing, peekaboo. First, work is repeated in every line. Yes. Second, twinkling, shining, playing peekaboo. What's that silvery thing in the sky? Appearing at night and going away in the day. What's that silvery thing in the sky? So, what is there? Silvery thing in the sky. What's that silvery thing in the sky? This line is repeated. A light drizzle or a heavy downpour. The rainy season offers a lot more. Thunderous skies with lightning the gleams. The rainy season has a lot in store. So, what's repeated? Rainy season. The rainy season. Okay. Now, activity is given, children. Sports and nutrition. Hope that you have understood the meaning of repetition as poetic device. Okay. Let's talk about the activity. Sports and nutrition. Work in groups of 5 using the internet and your school library. Find out about the special diet required by sports persons. Amazing. Make a PowerPoint presentation on sports and nutrition with pictures and facts. Organize your presentation under the following headings. What is a balanced diet? First part you will have to show through PowerPoint. What is sports nutrition? Do all sports persons need the same diet and nutrition? Should sports persons take supplements? Why? Why not? What should a sports person never consume. Show your presentation to the class. So children, once you will send your presentations, okay, then it will be shown. I will definitely take one appreciation round. Yes. So likewise, best parts or best answers I will show you through PowerPoint. Okay children. So here it is over. So the last part which I have taken as conclusion, that is, be courageous, stay always focused on your goals. Yes, dreams are divided into goals. Once you are focused on your goals, definitely you are very much closer to your dreams. So children, stay positive, stay healthy. Yes, thank you dear children for being with your teacher and listening so patiently. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay healthy.